Okay, sir. So today we are just going to start a very simple topic. The name of the topic is symmetry. So what do we understand by this symmetry? Let me tell you first. So what is symmetry? Symmetry is defined as a balanced and proportionate similarity that is found in two halves of an object. इसका मतलब है जैसे कोई सिमेट्री होती है, हम सिमेट्री बेसिकली किसे डिफाइन करते हैं? कोई भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसे जब हम एक टू हाफ्स में डिवाइड करते हैं और दोनों टू हाफ्स या फिर टू से ज़्यादा हाफ इक्वल होते हैं, उसे हम सिमेट्री कहते हैं। जैसे इधर कुछ एग्जाम्पल हैं such as butterfly, sun, flower, and etc. Now, types of symmetry. So, basically, in the previous standard, we have learned two types of symmetry. So, the first is rotational symmetry. So, what is rotational symmetry? A figure is said to have rotational symmetry if, after a rotation, an object looks exactly the same. It means कोई भी एक figure सपोज सर्कल, अगर सर्कल को हम उसे चाहे हम जितना भी रोटेट कर ले, वो चाहे जितने भी रोटेशन के बाद वो सेम ही दिखेगा, तो वी कैन से दैट इट्स एन रोटेशनल सिमेट्री. नाउ द सेकेंड वन इज रिफ्लेक्शन सिमेट्री. सो what is reflection symmetry? One line that divides a figure into two halves such that one half is the mirror image of the other half. So reflection symmetry वो होता है कोई भी एक लाइन जो कोई एक फिगर को टू हाफ्स में डिवाइड करती हो और दोनों फिगर इक्वल हो, उसे हम इक्वल हो या फिर दोनों ही फिगर मिरर इमेज हो, उसे हम रिफ्लेक्शन सिमेट्री कहते हैं. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गिव. हाँ
ये रिफ्लेक्शन सिमेट्री का कुछ एग्जांपल दोगे?
हाँ मैं शो कर रही हूँ, वेट अ मिनट. ये the first there was a one figure, blue color figure, we can say that it's an rotational symmetry, and in the downward there's one butterfly, and we can see that there is one line which divide the butterfly into two halves, so it's an example of reflection symmetry. Now
ठीक है.
number of symmetry line each polygon have. So did anyone know what is polygon?
A figure which has
A
five
shape
sides.
which is made up of line segments.
Yes. So the very first polygon is triangle. So an equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry, and a square have four lines of symmetry, and a rectangle have two lines of symmetry. Many of you are thinking about rectangle have four lines of symmetry, but it can't be, because because अगर हम कोई भी रेक्टेंगल को हम उसे फोल्ड करेंगे डायगनली, तो फिर वो कवर दूसरे सरफेस के ऊपर कवर नहीं हो पाएगा, इसलिए रेक्टेंगल के पास टू लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री होती हैं. नेक्स्ट, रेगुलर पेंटागन हैव फाइव लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री, एंड रेगुलर हेक्सागन हैव सिक्स लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री. सो नाउ कैन एनीवन टेल which type of symmetry it is?
Rotational.
Yes, it is an rotational symmetry. We can see that there's a type of fan figure, and if we rotate it, it look like same. So it is an rotational symmetry. Now the next example is, can anyone tell which type of symmetry is this?
Mirror reflection symmetry.
Yes, yes, you are right. It is an reflection symmetry. So there's one capital T, and if we divide it, so it look like two halves, and one is mirror image of another, and then other is capital M. So now I would like to ask you some question. Give three example of shapes with more than one line of symmetry.
Rectangle.
Can anyone tell?
Rectangle, square.
Rectangle and square. I said 3 examples.
Rectangle, square, and triangle.
Yes. Now, the second question is, how many lines of symmetry a regular hexagon have?
6.
6 lines of symmetry. Yes. Now, can anyone tell me what is rotational symmetry?
A symmetry which we half it, then it looks the opposite like a mirror image, or is equally half.
Yes, you are right. If any object we rotate it how many times, if it look like the same, then we can say that it is an rotational symmetry.